Yeah.
Assalamualaikum! Welcome to Lula Umis Vlog! Ang masipag na bayaning puyat. Andito na naman kami uli sa aming bahay sa Davao. Joke lang po. Wow, iniba nila ang curtain. It's beautiful now.
May wifi to?
Oh, meron. Maganda yung ano ngayon, no? Yes? Yes? Nung last year, yes. Hindi ganito, yes, no? Maganda na iniba nila. So this is the dining. And this is the kitchen. Ang kanilang ref, ang kanilang microwave, ang kanilang CR. Meron siyang shower inside. And a big sala. And one room. And another room. And it is, oh my goodness, alhamdulillah, the swimming pool. It's a very, very nice view. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alamin. Thank you for our sponsor, Tita Nor, Tita Mira, Lola Maya. Amin, amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Syukur-syukur. Alhamdulillah.